I've never done a baby haul before. This is kind of fun. Should we get you a puppy? I want to get out of the store. I want to run. I want to flee. I hate it. Hey, Santa. He's like, I'm going to make you smile, make you lose. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my vlog channel. My name is Jeanine Amapola Ward. Here's my husband. He's working on our Instagram video, and we are in the podcast studio, which looks very chaotic. And so if you guys are new here, I post every Thursday, and I just kind of vlog my life. We're about to film a podcast. I have this amazing company, Home Aglow, coming to clean our house today because y'all, let me tell you, it's really bad. So we have this company coming out to help clean up our house. My whole family's coming for Christmas next week, so we wanted to get everything clean before they come. So stay tuned to see kind of like the before and after, but we got a podcast to film, so let's go. Okay, podcast is done. I'm gonna put Duke down for his next nap. I forgot to film in between, but cleaned, made lunch, went on a walk with him, and I'm about to put him down. And then we have this cleaning company coming, which I'm like, please, thank you, Lord. The house is so bad. I need to show you all the laundry room. It's the worst part. Laundry is so much work. It takes such a long time. So we're gonna get Duke ready for nap, but I gotta fold his clothing as well. It's so funny. Duke can sit up now. Hi, baby. And I can just sit him down, which is so great. Like, I never could do this before. You're such a good sitter. I'm so proud of you. So I got Duke some cute little baby clothing, which I can show you guys, but I'm gonna put away the clothing that doesn't fit him anymore. And then he has a laundry hamper of clean clothes that I just washed, so I gotta get that, and then we gotta put him down for a little nap. Carter's actually had a sale. It was a Black Friday sale, so some of these things were literally $8. I've never done a baby haul before. This is kind of fun. So I got him this little ski outfit, which this will fit him right now, which is great, but a lot of them I did get stuff to size up. So I got him this little matching blue outfit. This is probably still a bit big on him. It could work, but it would still be a little big. I got him this Christmas outfit, which I think also might be a little big, but when we do Christmas and do our Christmas service and photos, I'm gonna have him wear this. You wanna put this on? He's reaching for it. I got him this little brown onesie. This one is definitely too big for him, so this one he's gonna have to grow into, but y'all, it happens fast. Like, they grow up very fast. Also this one, it's like a waffle one, so gonna have to wait for him to grow into that one as well, and then this one as well, which also very big. Duke is just not one of those chunky babies, which is totally fine. He just never has been one of those like super chunky babies. Also, I got him this one too, which I thought was really cute, a little like plaid beige set. So a lot of these clothing will all just be a little big on him inevitably, but that is okay because he is small but mighty. And his grandpa gave him this one, which has little footballs on it. Yeah, you're so happy. I love it. Y'all, I am so tired. I went to bed around 11. I wasn't feeling that great. Duke also woke me up at like 4 a.m. I don't know why he was awake, but he's been sleeping through the night, and then last night he decided to not sleep through the night. I think he didn't get enough food before bed, so I fed him in the middle of the night, and then I woke up at 7 a.m. to have someone help me like take a bunch of the boxes out of my house. I'm a little tired today. I'm like, try to get an energy drink, but I know those are not good for you. He's wanting to start to crawl. You can do it, baby. I know. Look how good you are. Look at you. He's trying to get up. That's good. Come on, Dookie. All right, we have the team here at Home Aglow helping us clean our house. I'm gonna show you guys the before. It's bad. Also, what is my hair? I mean, so bad. Here's the kitchen. Needs help. They're gonna clean all of this. Here's the before. We are very messy in this house right now. This room isn't terrible, but it's not bad either. So the house is being cleaned right now, and I'm feeding Duke. I'm super excited to have the house clean because I'm hosting my entire family here for Christmas. Of course, I want to have the house clean, organized, set up for that. The house gets a lot more chaotic. Being a busy mom, so it was really easy to find cleaners. They are a top-rated website. They have professional cleaners, and you just go online. You basically just pick the date, the time that you want, and they'll find you a cleaner. You can also choose the duration of the time you need. You can do add-ons as to like things that you want them to do. So if there's anything like specific you want them to clean, they can totally do that. So this truly peace of mind, because this is a lot more to clean in this house. Having that is super beneficial. Also knowing that when my family comes, it'll just be done, takes all the stress off my plate for the holidays. So if you guys want to check them out, not, you guys can get your first 3 hours for only $19. That is a deal, so click the link down below. And thank you so much to Home Aglow for sponsoring today's video. I'm super excited to show you guys the afterwards because I think it's gonna look really good. Also, in the bathroom, this was so great. Our sinks have been clogged. I came in there and the guy Matthew, he's here with his wife, and he had unclogged our sinks, did this little life hack, like I didn't know how to do it, and just unclogged the sinks for us. I was like, how did you know how to do that? He just did it. Game changer. So I guess they're doing plumbing too. Not really, but this guy was awesome. So the Home Aglow cleaners left and it looks so good. I'm so thankful, you guys. When the house is dirty, I just feel like my brain is like, ah. I'm gonna show you guys the after now. Okay, they mopped and vacuumed everything. They just got rid of all the clutter on the stairs. They vacuumed the stairs for me. They wiped and organized Caleb's office. They like picked up all his clothing, which was getting pretty gnarly, so very thankful. They just wiped down everything in this room and vacuumed and mopped. Now the kitchen is clean again. They did all the dishes for me, which was so nice. Wiped everything down. I mean, it really does look so good. Super thankful. Okay, and then they also cleaned our bathroom and bedroom. They basically just like tidied everything up and made our bed, and they cleaned the floor, got rid of any trash. Y'all, our bathroom was so bad. He was a magic worker. His name is Matthew. So nice. I was about to call a plumber because our sinks kept getting clogged, and whatever he did worked. I mean, truly, that was just a nice added bonus. So shout out to Matthew. And yeah, cleaned our shower and everything looks so good. Also, I'm gonna eventually redo my bedroom. I'm just not there yet. It's expensive to do that, so I'm just gonna wait, but I want to get new bedding, new side tables, new rug. This is all my old stuff. We'll get there another time, but not right now, but it's definitely on my list of things to do. Okay, so if you guys wanna check them out, like I said, you guys can click the link down below, and also definitely check out their Forever Clean membership. This will save you guys some money. It'll save you $30 an hour on all cleanings, and you can book unlimited cleaning starting at $19 an hour, and it's backed by Home Aglow's happiness guarantee, so you guys will make sure you guys get what you want. And for me, this is just gonna save so much time because I can do like, okay, I want a bi-weekly cleaning, or I want once a month, and you can just pick the date, reschedule if you need to. Super easy. So check this out, you guys, and I'm so happy because I have a clean home now. I have been in the house all day today and I'm sick of it, so I got out of the house here with Duke. We are going to attempt to go Christmas shopping. To be honest, I miss my mall a little because this one doesn't really have most of the stores that I shop at, but Von Maur is what we have here and it's really nice. So I'm looking for a gift for my mother-in-law and Caleb. Caleb mentioned to me today that he wants a bigger backpack for school because the other one he has now is too small. So let's see what we can find. I just wanted to get out of the house and me and Duke were just cooped up, so let's go. Guys, there's like no one here. Like it's like practically dead. I'm like, hello? Am I the only one shopping? Me and Duke? Oh my gosh. Wait, this actually makes me sad. Oh, look how cute. Should we get you a puppy? What is that? That's so funny. Caleb and I came here when I was pregnant with Duke and we were like, should we get a dog? And I'm really glad we didn't. Would have been way too much. I do feel kind of sad that they're just stuck in those little like glass cages or whatever they're called. It's kind of sad. Does anyone else loathe this song, the Mariah Carey All I Want for Christmas song? I hear it and I'm just like, I want to get out of the store. I want to run. I want to flee. I hate it. And I hear it every single year. Is that intriguing? What is that, Bubba? Okay, we are leaving. I only got one thing. I got a pair of earrings and that's it. So I'm heading home and we're gonna meet Caleb for dinner. Super excited. I feel like I went to the wrong mall. The other more popular mall is more central, but Duke's bedtime is coming up, so I didn't want to go too far away. So I got one pair of earrings and it'll be good for like any Christmas stuff coming up. Good morning from the Ward household. Look at little Duke. He said, Daddy.
The enemy thought he had you, but Jesus said you are mine.
He's like, Daddy. Good morning, everyone, and happy Saturday. We have the fireplace going. We got some cozy music. Duke is playing over there. Hi, baby. Duke is gonna go meet Santa today. So our neighborhood is doing like a Santa for all the kids, and it's funny, our neighbor is actually dressing up as Santa. We're personally not gonna do Santa for Duke, but we're gonna just have him go meet him anyway because I think it'd be kind of fun and cute to see. But we're not personally gonna be like doing the Santa in our own household, you know what I mean? So I am quickly just gonna journal a little bit. Then we're gonna go pick up our neighbor and her kid and drive over there to do the little community thingy. And I think that'll be fun because then we get to meet more neighbors that way. So he's smiling at me. I'm getting Duke's outfit on to get him ready to meet Santa. You're almost done, Bubba. All right, here's Duke's fit of the day. It's like 35 degrees outside, so I gotta get him a little sweater on. Okay, I'm quickly getting ready. I just did a little bit of cream bronzer. I did the Make It by Mario stick. For blush, I did the Patrick Ta blush in the shade She's So LA. I have hit, I'm gonna try to get this open. I have hit pan on that. And then I just did a little bit of powder, the Huda Beauty powder. And then I curled my lashes, and then I just did this e.l.f. lip liner in the shade Baddest Beige. And then that's what I'm doing today. Is that Santa? Who is that, Dookie? Oh, this is so funny. Hey, Santa, AKA our neighbor.
You're not Santa.
You look oddly familiar. Have I seen you before? Merry Christmas. Dookie, you want hot cocoa?
He's 6 months.
Say hi, dude.
He loves the dog. At least he's not screaming. Dickie. You like Santa? So cute.
I got one. Say hi, dude. Duke, we're gonna get you a dog for Christmas.
Well, Duke fell asleep. This was his nap time. I feel bad, but he was so sleepy. He's a sleepy little baby. Look how cute this all is. Dookie woke up from his nap. So he met Santa and he wasn't, oh my goodness. Baby. But what I was trying to say is pretty noisy. Duke didn't really care for Santa that much. Too little to understand though, that's probably why. Okay, so Duke is sleeping and he met Santa and it's just so cute. Like, he doesn't really know what's going on. He grabbed his beard, it was so funny. I did end up putting him back down for a nap. It's really cool when you start to just know and learn your baby. I was feeding Duke and I could just tell he was getting just disinterested, and I was feeding him and he was kind of falling asleep, and I was like, you know what, he could probably go down for another nap because he didn't really get a proper nap earlier. I was right, he is passed out right now, and I was like, great, because now I can get some work done. I am hosting a called Gals Gospel and Giving event here in Oklahoma where it's gonna be girls only, it's a Bible study, and then we're gonna be giving a part of the proceeds to single moms here in Oklahoma. And I just cannot wait. So I'm preparing my message and my message for that night, and I didn't really have any other time to do it, so this is a great time to do it while Duke sleeps. And I'm in just such a good mood. I just love Christmas. I love Saturdays. Saturdays are the best day ever. So I'm gonna try to get some work done, and I'm reheating up my chili I made the other night. It is so delicious. I'll link the chili recipe I have down below. Y'all, the Bible is so good. It's really cool when you slow down and you read and you really try to focus on specific word and ask God questions and do some research. It's really interesting what you will find. I don't think I finished my sentence earlier. That's my ADHD. I meant to say when you dive into the Word of God, it's really cool what you can find. But Duke and I are thrifting now. We're meeting up with my friend Belle, and I've never been to this store, so let's see if it's good. We are in here. It's a little tight, so Duke and I are struggling to fit a bit, but this place has a lot of cool stuff, a lot to look at. Bringing this stroller was a very bad idea. We can't fit through anything. Oh, here we go. Oh, shoot. Oh, okay. Let's try to get through here somewhere. I'm just gonna go a different way. Right, too. Look at this cute little stocking for Duke. This has your letter on it, bub. And since we have a VHS player, now I'm like, should I get any more of these? It's gonna be kind of fun. Okay, we got lots of furniture. This is cool. Ooh, look at that table. I'm looking for a new dining room table, but that's like a great game table. Like, this is screaming like a puzzle or, yeah, 100%. Oh yeah, great puzzle table. This could go upstairs. Caleb could play poker on that. That'd be kind of cool. Diggy, did you make a friend? He's like, I'm gonna make you smile, make you lose. Y'all, I found these two, but they're 50 to 60 bucks, and they should not be 60 bucks. We're gonna do some price line negotiator, but they're pretty good. Hi guys, happy Sunday. I don't remember where I left off. I think I showed you guys, I got some stools. I need to show you the result of them. Spoiler alert, I don't think I like them in there, but I think I could use it somewhere else. I just need to rescrew them, clean them, and I still think I have 2 other spots I could put them. I'll show you guys. So for this little desk, which is a mess right now, I could use one right there as like a little bench to work there. So here's how they look. I don't hate it, but but it does feel like a little too busy. I want this room to be a sitting space. That's the goal of this room, is to be like a place where we can gather, you can sit. I was gonna get these 2 ottomans, which I'll insert a photo for you guys, that I was gonna get instead, that I think would work better, but this makes me feel like it still looks a little too cluttered, so I'm not sure. They kind of go with the room, but I feel like I might need more color or pattern or something. Okay, I'm now in my bathroom, which is a little messy, but I could also put it here, which I need a chair for here anyway, so I can sit and do my makeup. So I could use them there, but I didn't spend that much. I think I got them both for like $22, which is not bad. They were originally like $70 and they knocked it down like over 50% for me, so that was very nice. So anyway, we are currently at home. I have the fireplace going. That is my favorite thing about this house, is the fireplace. I put it on every single day. I love it. It's so cozy. Obviously, when this little one, hi baby, he's fully sitting up, you guys, but I have little pillows to protect him in case he does fall, and he's been fine, trust me. But he is fully sitting up now, which is so crazy. Hi Boogie. Hi Boogie. I'm about to feed him, and honestly, today's Sunday. I was gonna go to church with my friend. I woke up feeling so sick, like, oh my gosh, it was horrible. I still do not feel good, and it's so hard taking care of a baby when you're also sick and all you want to do is sleep. But I'm very thankful. Duke took a 2 hour and 15 minute nap. The second I put him down, I was like, I'm taking a nap too, and so I did. That made me feel so much better, but I just feel very like achy and run down, and so the weather got really cold here, so I didn't do anything today. I literally just went to like a coffee shop, got a tea, and came home, and that was me and Duke's activity today. We didn't do anything. So I've been home, which honestly, I'm thankful I got to be home because I've made the house so much more cozy that it makes me want to be home. I'm going to close out today's video. You guys, Christmas is coming soon. I'm hosting my whole family, so I'll be definitely vlogging that. I am hosting a very big Christmas event here with my followers on Friday the 19th. So whenever you see this, I don't know if tickets will still be available, but it's here in downtown Edmond, and it's gonna be a Christmas Bible study event with you guys, and I'm really pumped about that. So stay tuned for that as well. I'm really excited, and I love hanging out with you guys. I'll see you next week for another vlog. Peace out, Girl Scout. Bye, guys. Say bye, Dookie. Bye, Duke. Say bye. I love you, baby. Last final tomorrow, and then I have my husband back.
I have been
so excited.
For 1 month, literally all day. If you've been to law school, you know, just all day. Riding.
I mean, this is insane. I'm so proud of you.
And what's annoying is there's so much information that the minute you've memorized something, you got to keep memorizing other things, and then you realize 2 days have gone by. You have to go back and re-memorize everything else.
You're almost done. Woohoo!